Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the gold market in the second video. As you can see, the market has completed our suggestion that probably before any other action will follow, market should hit the major target on the daily chart. So indeed, yesterday this has happened. Our OP target at 1301.80, so approximately 1302. That totally absolutely corresponds to the previous low, 1302, has been reached. It's also kind of the daily oversold. This level, as I said, will not have any meaning currently because it mostly has been broken and tested multiple times. It's one, or let's say 1, 2, 3, 4th times to be tested. It's the 5th time when the market has reached this level, and approximately this level, probably this level already has lost all its strength. So the major what's really important here is these lows and the target. So OP has been reached. So market right now turns to some upward retracement. Those of you guys who would like to go short, you probably should keep an eye on this retracement and use this rally as opportunity to sell into. While those of you who are thinking about long position, definitely this should not be position that will be held for a long period of time, so you should not marry this position. It should be fast trade because it stands against the major tendency, and it's a kind of the scalp trade, contra trend trade. That's why probably it should be fast. Second moment that's important with the kind of trades, it should be based on the some clear bullish reversal pattern. And with this subject, it's a bit tricky moment, guys. First of all, if you would like to take the long position based on the daily chart, you need to get something, at least the bullish engulfing or something of that sort here, that will confirm that indeed some deep retracement could fall. This first moment. On the intraday charts, here you can see that our XOP target also has been met. Market is turning right now to the upside. And on the hourly chart, those of you guys who have taken the risk and take the long position based on the butterfly that we have discussed, you can see very good butterfly. Market just has hit the target, shows the engulfing. It's kind of it seems like the wash and risk has happened, but guys, for me it seems that it's really two equal lows. It's too small penetration below the B point, below these lows. That's why I think that no wash and risk has happened, because stops usually placed slightly lower. But anyway, reversal here was pretty sharp and upward action has started. So if you have taken the long position on this butterfly, you probably should feel comfortable. You could move your stop to the break-even point and see where you will take the profit, or you will keep some part of your position further. Here is absolutely comfortable situation. Those of you guys who would like to take the long position but have missed or didn't take the position based on the butterfly, this will be more difficult to you because you need to get some clear bullish pattern. Currently, guys, I see only one pattern could be formed. You see kind of the hand and shoulders. Only if market will reach this area on some retracement here, it could become the hand shoulders that will trigger deeper retracement up. That's the pattern could be formed. Here, guys, currently I do not see something really special, some bullish pattern yet that could let you take position here. Maybe kind of the gutless triple to buy maybe will be formed. In this case, you could think about taking position. But anyway, you need to get some bullish patterns that will confirm possibility of the further upward action. Currently, guys, as you have missed the butterfly, I did not see yet any other patterns that could be used for taking the position immediately. As I said, maybe kind of the hand shoulders will be formed, because in this case, guys, despite that market will move right to this area, the entry point will be approximately the same area as the market stands here, because taking into consideration the harmony of the hand shoulders, if we suggest that right arm should be formed, it also will be somewhere around 13.11, 13.12 probably. That stands where the market stands right now. But this is not the fact yet. It will happen, guys. That's why I call you to wait for clear pattern. Only those who have taken position on this butterfly could take part in this game right now, I mean in the upward direction. So to estimate the targets of this upward direction where you could take the profit, you could use, for example, this A, B, C bottom extensions. It's probably OP somewhere in this area. You could wait for the XOP. Also, guys, in fact, this drop down and this bottom is always nicely looking Judd Napoli double repo buy pattern. So it's very, very clear. Let's take a look. Thrust down, close above 3x3, close below, close above. That was double repo buy, and market is moving high. So that being said, maybe reaction on to the upside will be a bit greater, because we are coming to the non-farm payrolls release, and depending on the data, it could be a different reaction. Besides, market has reached major target on the daily chart. That's why at least the free retracement maybe will happen. And from that standpoint, it's really probable that another opportunity to go long will be on some larger scale pattern on the intraday charts. But this is not the time yet. Those for you who would like to take the short position in the gold market also should keep an eye on this possible retracement, because it will provide opportunity to go short at some better levels. For example, if engulfing will be forming here, market could reach somewhere area around 1330 maybe. So maybe 1325. That's the area where retracement could be over, and that will be opportunity for taking the short position. Currently, we just keep watching, and now in trading stands only those who have taken the long position based on yesterday's butterfly that we have discussed in the video.